Do you know how to get in? See the problem? We have to back it up so I can get the lawnmower out. Okay, how do we get in?
Yeah, well, it's not halfway, Mom. Oh, I got it.
Is it locked? Nope. Okay. All right, I'm coming in.
Why?
You know how to back it up yourself?
Yes.
Okay, you know how to turn the key?
Mom, I know.
Okay, you want me to direct you? Help direct you? I'll go like this, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
This thing always doesn't work.
Is it not turned all the way? There you go. No?
No.
It's fine. We just have to go backwards.
No, Mom, you need it closed or else it won't turn on.
Oh, okay. Is there a... Okay, go back. Yep. Buck it up. Buck it up. Buck it up. Buck it up. There you go, girl. Okay, back it up. Keep going. Okay, stop. Good job. Good job. You're good. Put the bucket down. Yep. Turn it off.